my name is Trista Ainsworth, and I am a professional organizer with Joyful Minimalism. And today I'm welcoming you to day 14 of our 100-day journey through our homes and our lives. And I just want to welcome you back. It is a new year, 2021, and I took a little bit of time to settle into this year, but I am happy to get back on this journey with all of you. And today is about stepping into our power to create. So what I want to talk to you about in this video is really using your inner power to create what you want in your life and in your home, and really knowing that you have everything that you need. I really like to think of nature as my co-creator, because whenever I have a difficult day or a day where I feel like it's difficult to get going, if I just go outside for a little bit and take a little walk and see what's going on, even if it's pouring rain, then I can gain some perspective and get back to creating again. One important thing to remember is that we are always growing, changing, and expanding, just like the universe. And our home is doing the same thing as well, because every day things change. Our family is growing, we are growing as people, and so things change. We may not want the same decor, we may not need the same devices or items in our kitchen. So it's great this time of year to kind of reevaluate what you want and what you want to create. So for today in your home, my intention for you is to try a little fun exercise and go around your house. Just take 15 or 20 minutes and put away decorations that really don't bring you much joy right now, or you're kind of tired of looking at those. Just put those away, or you may decide to get rid of them or give them away. But put them away and get something different out. Or you can leave the space blank to kind of create more from that space. So whatever you decide, this is a really fun thing to do at the beginning of the year. So I'm wishing you a really happy new year, and here's to starting our journey again in this wonderful space.